So this is a video to show how to create an assignment in multiple classes at the same time, and to show how that assignment with a due date can also show up onto your calendar. Hopefully this will go fairly quickly. All right, so you have my Q2 period 2 computer science class, my Q2 period 6 computer science class. So I'm going to go into my period 2 class, and in this class I've already set up a topic. And so you create a topic by simply going create topic. Now, there's a lot of different ways to create your topics. You can do it chronologically, which is the way I do it. So unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and so on. You could also do it thematically. So this is an example of doing it chronologically. I like to also number every topic, because then when I create an assignment, and we're just going to create a generic assignment, I can give the assignment a number. So I'm going to give it 101. And so what that means is the first topic and the first assignment, I do 01 so that it'll sort correctly up to 1.99, which I would never have. Okay, so I'm just going to call this welcome. This is just an example. I think, as most people know, you can add any of these sorts of things, or you can create any of these sorts of things that will automatically be attached. You can put your instructions for how to complete the assignment here. But part of what I want to show you is what happens over here. So first of all, I'm going to put this assignment in both of my computer science classes by clicking both of those. Now let me just show you something real quick. Whoops. If I go back into my classrooms and I show you my period 6 classroom, go into classwork, you'll see there's nothing here right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I've put this in there. I'm just going to say it's worth 100 points. You can then give it a due date. Now this is critical to give it a due date. So I'm going to say, I don't know, let's say it's going to be due on Wednesday. It is giving it a due date that makes it show up on the calendar, right? I'm also going to put it into my Unit 1 topic, okay? And I'll just very simply click Assign. So this assignment has now been assigned to everybody in my Q2 period 2 computer science in Unit 1, okay? I've got one that I was clearly playing with earlier here. I'll delete that. Okay, so then also you'll see here in Q2 period 6, it automatically created the topic that didn't exist and created the assignment there for me. And if there was any attachments, those would show up as well. And then finally, when we come here to the calendar, you can see they've both shown up here on the calendar as well. And they show up all one associated with these different classes. So I can actually come over here and let's change the colors a little bit so this is a little more distinct. I'm going to make it birch. So you see my period 2 Q2 computer science principles is blue. The other one, my period 6, is birch, and you can see they're both showing up in different colors. So, and that's how it would show up for the students as well. One last thing I would like to show, and that is the classwork versus the stream. When students first come into your classroom, that look at your digital classroom, they will be on the stream tab. I find the stream to be a bad way for students to find assignments. Because of that, I actually don't publish them at all on the stream. So if you go to this little gear icon and you scroll down to classwork on stream, I choose hide notifications. And that way the classwork only shows up under the classwork tab, forcing students to go to the classwork tab where the work is actually far better organized. And that way I use the stream for announcements. So if I want to post, hey, there's this internship opportunity, or you can get help with your college essays, or whatever, those sorts of announcements, that's what I put in the announcement stream. I hope this is helpful.